I thank the management of Amity and all the students who have joined this pre-placement session. My name is Manikandan. People call me Mani. I am the Senior Director and Head of Campus Placements and Industry Academia Partnership for CSS Corp. I am extremely delighted to take you through your career opportunities that are available with CSS Corp. So CSS Corp is one of the fastest growing customer experience and technology company. We are celebrating our 25th year this year. We started in 1996. We have also crossed the 10,000 employee mark this year. And we are present in more than 18 different locations across the globe. We are headquartered in San Jose, California, USA. And these are some of our customers that we work for. Amazon to Google to Juniper to Palo Alto to Alcatel, Netgear, etc. So our purpose is to enable businesses to adapt for tomorrow. Our vision is be the trusted leader in co-creating business value with customer centricity at our core. And our mission has been to deliver best-in-class digital operations and experiences with our people-first philosophy and culture. So some of our offerings are enterprise support services, infrastructure, network, cloud and security services, digital engineering, customer experience management, and geospatial technologies, etc. So we are the digital transformation partner of choice for our clients, which includes the world's top innovators across industries. And some of the industries that we work on are telecommunications, technology, media, banking and financial services, automotive mobility, retail and CPG, healthcare and pharma. And this is our global delivery footprint. We started in Chennai. So Chennai has the maximum number of employees. We have 3 centers in Chennai. In addition to Chennai, we also have offices in Hyderabad and in Bangalore in India. The second biggest delivery center is our Manila center in Philippines, followed by Costa Rica, which is a newly opened up facility. We are already ramping up big time, where we have crossed more than 1,500 people. And Colombia was just started a couple of months back, and we have already crossed 600 employees from our Colombia center. So what's it like working with us? What kind of a company are we? So this is our core culture. We care, adaptability, careers over job. We are an organization who believe in providing careers than just jobs. Everybody belongs, truly transparent work culture, engaged, happy and motivated workforce. We work hard, we chill even harder. We fail forward, we are open to give and take feedback to improve continuously. So we care for each other. We 100% work from home enablement, putting people safety first. We have been work from home since March last year. We have a very safe framework. We have provided support, awareness, facilitation, and emergency COVID contracted employees and supported them. We are continuing to conduct free vaccination drives for all our employees and their families. We also have created a flexible leave option for people, some of our employees who were infected with COVID. We also have a physical and emotional well-being. Since most of our employees are working from home, it also has an impact on the physical and emotional state of mind. So we have created Connect and Heal tie-up facility, doctor on call, healthcare apps, employee assistance program, peer support. Some of our employees have also gone and supported the families when their near and dear ones were infected with the COVID. The various benefits and perks, we have a very competitive compensation structure, and we are the first. We are also rolled out the increments in the pandemic year. We have not stopped any of the promotions or the increments. The appraisals was not stopped. All our employees got their due. Leaves and holidays, flexible leave options, comp off is available if you are working on your regular shift day, health insurance for all our employees and dependents. Adaptability, we get work done no matter what. Currently, we are working from anywhere. Our general philosophy is the work has to be completed from wherever you're working, whether you're working from home or office or even from your favorite cafe. We have the technology support available, so the work should get done. So we also have ensured that our employees stay connected and have all the applications and systems in place. Overtime allowances are there for employees who work for extra hours, and work-life balance is really good in CSS Corp. People are not disturbed unnecessarily. We are an organization which, as I said, provide careers over job. We grow together as a company. There are a lot of employees who have been with us for more than 18 years, and they are really going strong within the company. They have started at the entry level, and they have all gone to grow and lead, and currently in various leadership positions across the globe. So we all, as an organization, I belong to the talent development team. So the HR, talent engagement and talent development team are given a mandate by our CEO to ensure that we identify top 25% of the best performing employees across the organization and provide them with the growth opportunity, with the relevant certification, mentoring programs, and buddying, so that they grow within the organization. So we have a very strong internal training academy in place where a lot of cutting edge technology learning platforms are available. Training programs are available, both in technology, behavioral, and leadership development programs are available. It can be accessed from anywhere and anytime. We also sponsor our employees for external training programs and support with reimbursement of their certification cost. For some of the verticals where we are going to hire employees from the engineering background through the non-internship program, which we will cover in detail, we also sponsor the MTech program, higher education, for some of our employees. So there are a lot of mentorship programs available. Campus Career Aspiration Management Program. Depending upon your career aspirations, you can undergo the relevant technology training through our academy, and you can move up the ladder. A lot of exposure is given to our employees. Employees are given an opportunity to grow horizontally and vertically across domain. I will cover more about the reverse immersion and on-site opportunities. A career roadmap is given to every employee within the organization, and we ensure that employees meet the career aspirational goal and move up the career ladder. So everybody belongs. We work with people from very different culture across various locations, both within India and outside India. So we support gender equality. One of our CEO's aim and the organization's philosophy is to improve the female employee ratio from the current 36% of our employees or female employees, and we wanted to increase the women workforce count to 50%. So we value each other, we respect each other, as that's part of being the culture. We don't tolerate any kind of discrimination and harassment. We have a non-negotiable prevention of sexual harassment policies in place. We support our women colleagues. There are a lot of growth opportunity available for women colleagues to take up a lot of certification, mentor programs, and grow within the organizations. So we also go the extra mile and support our women folks through counseling sessions, childcare, CAP facilities, etc. And we respect each other as to what they bring to the table. We are a very transparent, honest kind of a culture. We are a flat organization and we don't believe in hierarchy. Anytime you can always reach out to your superiors and the leadership team, and they will be happy to hear you, listen to you, and also take your inputs. A lot of skip level meetings and leadership connect opportunities are available within the organization to discuss your ideas, your challenges, your concerns with the leadership team. We also like to cultivate a very curious mind and provide them a lot of opportunities so that there is a lot of development that happens, innovation that happens across various business units. We celebrate our successes very hard. We are an organization which would love to have fun. We work really hard and we also celebrate our success even harder. So we share communication openly. We highlight our accomplishments. We energize each other by staying connected. We work really hard and party harder. We have a very wonderful reward and recognition program in place. So it's called Cheer. So these are some of the events, celebrations across various centers across the globe or offices. So we are extremely open and honest in taking feedback. We in fact encourage our employees to give us feedback, to tell us where we can improve, their suggestions, their ideas, and negative feedback is never penalized. So we appreciate honest feedbacks and we make sure that we implement some of the suggestions and we improve every day. So overall, our employee satisfaction is at 85% and we continue to work on it to improve it. The rating from our internal survey and from our partners say that we are at 4.42 out of 5 for the care for our employees. And for the organization work culture and value, we are at 4.33 on a scale of 5. So it's a very wonderful, fun place to work for. So is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the paid internship and placement opportunity that we are opening up. It is called Campus to Career. So we are hiring for the enterprise support services, which is predominantly the cyber security, network security, firewall security division. And the next one is the digital engineering services, where we are going to hire people in software development. So for enterprise support services, we are looking at 400 people. And for software development, we are looking at 100 people. So in total, we are going to hire 500 people through the internship cum placement opportunity. So the eligibility qualification is you should be a BTech from electronics, computer science, IT, EC, EEE background. You should not have any backlogs. You should have secured first class in your degree. So you're also, even if you are an ME, MTech, electronics, computer science, IT, networking, wireless, cyber security, any other specialization, you are eligible. Your role will be a network engineer, either in routing and switching, or in firewall and security, or in wireless. And you will be working on enterprise and high-end networks of our clients and support their enterprise products and applications. If you are a digital engineering services person, your role will be a software developer. You will use programming languages and software to build application, design and implement efficient user interface for some of the custom built applications that we have developed and deployed at our client workplace. So as I said, it's a paid internship. So you will be paid a stipend of 10,000 rupees per month. Your internship will start in the month of January 2022 till 31st of March 2022. And upon successful completion of your internship, you will be absorbed into CSS Corp in the month of June with your starting salary package of 3.2 lakhs per annum, plus a night shift allowance of anywhere between 30 to 40,000 per annum. Once you complete your 3 months new hire training, which will be between June, July, and August, once you successfully complete the new hire training, your salary will be revised to 3.75 lakhs per annum plus night shift allowance. For ME postgraduate students, you will join us at 3.5. After completion of your new hire training, your salary will be revised to 4.2 lakhs per annum. For software developers, you will join us at 3.6 lakhs per annum. So your internship will be virtual internship between January and March. You will be spending 4 hours a day, Monday through Saturday. Our master trainers and subject matter experts will be your mentors and trainers. You will also be given access to our enterprise cloud lab, where all the live scenarios, used cases, some of the projects and solutions that we have given to our clients are all loaded, and you will be able to practice on them based on the theory, and other lab exercises are also loaded there. You will be given an access once you start your internship, and you will continue to work on your cloud lab. And our master trainers will be your project mentors as well. So your 3 months internship is divided into 35% of the time you will spend on virtual interactive learning. 35% of the time you will spend on our enterprise cloud lab, and 30% of the time you will spend on live project. So in 3 months, you will earn a stipend of 30K. You will also get an industry certification upon completion of your internship, and a full-time employment opportunity with CSS Corp. So these are the 3 tracks I was talking about. You can select either cybersecurity or wireless networking or full stack development. So during your internship, you will undergo training on Technical Assessment Center Foundation Level 1 and Level 2 training during your internship, where the basics of networking and other concepts will be taught to you. And you will also be completing the lab exercise over here and a project. And once you join CSS Corp in the month of June, if you have selected cybersecurity, you will go and do advanced level training in cybersecurity training. And similarly, you will do advanced product and process specific training in wireless technology. So this is a very advanced level training, and it is not available outside anywhere. It's a very, very unique training program, because for most of our enterprise customer, their network infrastructure will have multiple products installed, multiple applications running on multiple operating systems. There will be a lot of firewalls installed, different types of firewalls, different types of wireless architecture. So we will be training you on all those things. Let's say if applications are running on Unix, Linux, and Windows, you will be trained on all of them. Similarly, different types of firewalls that are installed. So you will get an opportunity to master multi-devices, multi-operating system, multiple architecture as part of your advanced product specific training. So upon completion of this training alone, only your salary gets revised from 3.2 to 3.75 if you are a BTech guy, 4.25 from 3.5 if you are a PG. And similarly, if you have selected wireless networking, you will undergo the wireless networking training here, and you will also be doing a project as part of the new hire training. If you have selected software development, you will undergo the basics of programming, logic, data structure, RDBMS, SDLC, Agile, DevOps, etc. during your internship, and your scripting and other tools during your new hire training. So what do we look for in candidates? You should have no standing arrears, 60% in your graduation. You should have very good communication skill, because you will be working with international customers and you will be expected to interact with them over a call, email, and chat. So your English language should be really good. You should have basic knowledge in hardware, networking, and operating system. Your foundation in technical areas should be really strong, so that we will be able to build on it and teach you advanced topics. You should be willing to work in night shift, since most of our customers are from US, UK, and Latin American region. If you are selecting software development, You should be very strong in your programming logic and techniques, strong coding in Java or C or C++ or Python, any one of the programming languages. You should be proficient. Your logical thinking should be strong, and you should have a problem solving approach. So as I repeat, there are 100 internship positions only available here, whereas there are 400. So the competition here is very high. And also this enterprise support networking is one of the very niche area where there are not many opportunities. Any trained people are available. Even a couple of weeks back in Times of India, there was a big article which talked about the cybersecurity opportunities. There are close to 1.5 million jobs required, people required in the cybersecurity space. Like all of you know very well that we are in the digital era where everything is online, the payment gateways, everything we are using it. And there are a lot of threats to data and information, right? So we are creating a lot of awareness in India. A lot of people are talking about do not share your OTP, do not click on malicious link, etc. But there are a lot of opportunity. There is a lot of traction in the cybersecurity space, and it's a huge, huge opportunity if you pick up this particular technology, because we are not able to find experienced people from the market. There are very few people who are in this particular space. So that's the reason why we went and told our customers that we will be able to hire bright freshers from campus and train them on the technology area through our internal academy. Since our internal academy and training infrastructure is extremely strong, our clients also gave a go ahead. So not many organizations will hire people in the cyber security, network security area for a fresher. They always look for at least people with a couple of years of experience plus. So it's an excellent opportunity for you guys to kickstart your career in this very, very niche and high demand area. So if, sir, I don't have 60%, can I join CSS Corp? Yes, you can join CSS Corp through our Consumer Technical Application Services division. This is an entry-level division. This is not a very advanced support that we provide. It's for small office, home office kind of a segment where we hire, we are looking to hire about 500 jobs, out of which 125 people are going to be from the engineering background. Here we also hire engineers from your mechanical or people from the circuit branches who don't have 60% plus. So if they want to kickstart their career in CSS Corp, they can come through this route. But at the same time, there are opportunities available for them to join here and then move on to cybersecurity, network security, or software development track. So which I will cover. Similarly, for infrastructure management services, you will be working as a IT help desk engineer or a network operations center engineer or a security operations center engineer. You will provide help desk for small and medium businesses to large enterprise. We will provide network monitoring, infrastructure management support, cloud security, etc. There, the CTC is about 2.5 lakhs. You will also be trained on technology as well as soft skills as part of our new hire training. So here also we need excellent communication skills and willing to work in night shift. So why should you join CSS Corp? You get an opportunity to work with high caliber teammates. There are a lot of technology experts that are working. We are working in very, very niche area. So you will get to work with smart, open-minded and highly competent people. Steep learning curve through our internal academy. You're learning, you can do n number of certifications on latest technology and move up the career ladder. Opportunity for growth. And we are going to be part of a global brand which has been highly successful for the last 25 years. So this is the career progression or the roadmap that we are opening up for our fresh graduates who will be joining us. If you are joining the enterprise services, which is the cybersecurity division, we are saying that over a period of 3 years, you will see a 4x growth is what we are promising. So this growth is already available. There are a lot of people who have moved within the career ladder across various geographies. So if you meet our performance goals and appraisal ratings and complete all your learning, client and internal training and certification, you have a best chance of reaching 12.5 to 13 lakhs CTC within the 3rd year. So the first year you will join at 3.2 2 and then around 3.75. And the end of 1 year, if you perform really well, your salary will be in the 5.5 lakh range. At the end of the second year, it will be anywhere between 8 lakhs to 8.5. You will be working as a level 2 engineer. And once you complete 3 years, you can become a technical account manager or a customer success manager or a L3 engineer, which is the topmost layer. And on-site opportunities will open up for you. And reverse immersionship is nothing but, let's say, when you join the company, you have selected the cybersecurity track, you have worked in cybersecurity domain for 3 years. And now if you wanted to explore wireless and firewall security through the reverse immersion program, you can complete all the relevant training and certification through our internal academy. And then you can move to the other division horizontally from one technology to another technology. So similarly, if you are in the software development track, we are also committing a 4x growth here. In 4 years, you will be in the 14 lakh range and you can become a business analyst or a tech lead. So one more point of contention is in digital engineering, you will reach the 4x growth in 4 years. Here you will touch it in 3 years. So if you are joining the infrastructure cloud, this is how it will be. If you continue to remain in the same division, the growth is a little bit less compared to the enterprise because it's not very complex kind of work. So we are talking about a 2x growth here if you continue to remain. But this is the career progression option that we are giving to both consumer tech support and infrastructure. Let's say you are a student who don't have 60% and you are unable to join the internship cum recruitment program. You can join the direct employment mode and enter CSS Corp at 2.27 lakhs as a trainee. So once you complete 6 months time, your MTech program will open up. You're already tied up with BITS Pilani for offering an MTech program for the 125 engineers that we are going to hire, and that will be 100% sponsored by CSS Corp. So you can continue to do your MTech here, and if you complete 1 year, if you continue to work in consumer support, your designation will be associate to senior associate to specialist to lead. But career progression option will open up for you at the end of 1 year. Through our career aspiration management program or internal academy, you can select either cyber security, network security, wireless security kind of a domain or Java full stack development. You can choose any one of the track, undergo all the relevant training and certification through the career aspiration management program and move into that particular division. So when you move there from here, automatically your salary will be changed from this particular band, whatever we pay for these employees, because this is a high-end job. So automatically your compensation is also higher. So here that career division we are giving the employees based on their interest, their passion, but this is only an entry route to enter into the company, then complete the certification and join the rest of the crowd here. So this kind of option is available for both consumer services and infrastructure division. So what's the screening and selection? So once this session is over, I will be sharing the registration template with your placement department. You can enroll for the internship program. You can select any one of the track, either cybersecurity or wireless and networking or Java full stack development. And based on that, your assessments will be conducted. So first, there will be an online technical communication assessment, English language assessment that will be shared to you. You can take the assessment anytime, anywhere, from your home, from anywhere. And once you complete it, based on that, you will have a 15 minutes interaction with our communication expert online over a Zoom call. And if you clear that, you will have another technical discussion with our technical team. And once you clear all these assessments, we will give you a letter of intent for entering into the internship program. And during the course of your internship, we will also give you the offer letter for offer of employment to join CSS Corp. For direct entry through the non-internship route, we will start the selections from the month of January. So if a person gets cleared there, he will be given a direct offer of employment for direct placement. So women folks, need not worry about working in night shift. Like how we take care of our customers, we have a full-fledged transports system in place where a set of team members will be working and supporting people who are availing the cab facility, especially women employees. All the cabs are GPS enabled. The entire cab journey, which is all the cabs that are used, are completely tracked online by this specialized team, and none of the female employees will be the last person to be dropped. They will always be the first person to be dropped, and that's how the route charts will be prepared. And a security guard will be part of the cab. He will be traveling with you. In case your drop point, your residence is slightly away from the drop zone, the security guard will accompany you till your doorstep. So, and you will be provided with 24/7 during the cab support. People will be available to support you for any emergency. So touch wood, so far we have not encountered any unforeseen incidents to any of our employees across any of the locations. So it's absolutely safe to work in CSS Corp. So these are some of the awards that we have won. We are clearly looking to go at an IPO in 2023. There was a lot of article and an interview from our CEO in various newspaper and journals. So we are having high award-winning innovators. We have won most than 70+ award, the most awarded service provider, highest rated platforms and solutions. Our solutions are highly rated. The first company to move with 100% work from home in pandemic. No impact to our people productivity. They're all working from home without any disruptions to our client services. And we are also exploring the anywhere operations where flexible hybrid models for evolved needs based on the situation. We are open to explore multiple opportunities where people can work from home or work from office, or some days they can come to office, the remaining days they can work from home. So all these possibilities are in place. So we have always put our people first. In spite of the pandemic, we ensured that all the employees' appraisals were completed and we paid increments and promotions to all our employees during the pandemic. And we are investing heavily on our people growth through external training programs, internal academy, company sponsored training programs, etc. So people first is our primary motto. If you want to know more about CSS Corp, what's happening, I request all of you to scan this URL QR code so that you will be immediately taken to our LinkedIn page. You just click on follow, you can know what's happening in real time. This might also help you to understand the company that you might be joining to know more about the company, and it will also help you in your interview as well. So I'll give you a couple of minutes. You can just try it now while we speak and then let me know. So with this, I complete my presentation. And I thank the opportunity. I request you to have asked me any questions so that I will be happy to answer. You can use the chat window or you can use the unmute and ask me questions. I will be happy to answer. Can MCA students apply for software development role? Ankan Chakrabarti. Ankan, currently for internship, we are only looking for BTechs and MTechs. MCA can join the consumer and infrastructure. After 1 year, they can move into the software development role. You're welcome, Ankan. Thanks for the question. BCA students can apply. We have very limited opportunity in the software testing space, but the numbers are not very huge. You can enroll and select software testing as the preferred track. You cannot join enterprise support or development track. You can only join the this thing. What are the job locations? Pan India, Hyderabad, Bangalore, or Chennai, depending upon the project requirements, you will be posted anywhere. Can a BCA student work in network security, cyber security domain? They can, but not through the current internship hiring. You can join the consumer application or cloud after 1 year working in CSS Corp. You can clear all the relevant certification and then move. So there is no direct opportunity for them in CSS Corp currently. Have any other questions? Okay, I'd like to share a couple of. So these are some of the topics that you need to be well aware of when you have applied for the Java developer role for the technical interview. So you should have good understanding of software development lifecycle, waterfall model, agile model. You should be able to explain the application of some of the object-oriented programming concepts that you have learned. And you should have good understanding of C, C++, Java, Python, and SQL, your backend, your select statement, to table, creating a table, query, subquery, correlated subquery, primary key, foreign key, etc. So you should have a good understanding of all the commands. So these are some of the topics. I will share this document also with your placement team. Depending upon your choice, you can prepare well. So if you are selecting wireless and networking, these are some of the topics that you need to be well prepared with. Types of communication, ways of data transmission. You should be able to explain what is LAN, MAN, and WAN. What is the difference between LAN, MAN, and MAN? Where LAN, where MAN, where WAN, etc. Explain clearly the OSI model in detail. What is TCP/IP, and how it functions, rather than just giving the definition expansion of TCP/IP. Similarly, IP address, subnet mask, broadcast, MAC address. What is a repeater? What's the use of a repeater? Hub, switches, routers, and firewalls. Most of these topics, there are a lot of videos available on the YouTube. There are a lot of e-learning programs that are available for free in Udemy, in Coursera, etc. You can use them to prepare well before you sit for the technical assessment. So we are looking for candidates to have a good understanding. No, from Prashant, you cannot join the internship for MCA. You can join the internship for the testing and not for any other roles. So as I think I've answered that question, the job location is Pan India, either Chennai, Bangalore, or Hyderabad. So if you have a very good communication skill, that's more important, because that's where we are working with the client. So the communication needs to be really good. Technically, if you have the basics in place, we will be able to train you on the technology, because you are anyway undergoing technology training in your internship as well as in your new hire. So we are not very much worried about the technical ability. But if you put in your effort on these topics, and if your foundation is strong, we will be able to build that structure. But communication is something I will not be able to teach. You should have the basic communication in place. Of course, we will be fine-tuning and shaping up your communication polishing your communication ability as part of the training. But in-depth communication and English languages we don't teach as part of any of the program. So that's the mandate. So you should have really good communication skills. Any other questions, students? So I'll try to share the PPT version with your placement team. Ma'am, you can share it with the students, because I see some of the students were not able to see the screen, etc. You can share it with them so that they can have a detailed look at it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any other questions, students, that you would like to ask me regarding this, or any other input that you need regarding your career? I will be happy to let you know. Okay, if there are no more questions, thank you once again, students. Thank you for a valuable time. Sangeeta, thank you very much for giving me the opportunity. Thank the management. And I request you to share this information with the balance students who could not join for whatever reasons. So I would share the PPT also in a PDF form. You can share it with all the students, and I request you to complete the registration forms and send it to me by end of day Friday, so that we can plan the next interviews, schedule the interviews.
Okay, sir.
And also kindly share the technical interview preparation pointers, that PDF document with all the students, so that they can prepare and come prepared for the technical interview.
Okay, sir.
So how can a BCA student apply for network security, cyber security, if not through internship? What's the process? It will be a direct interview, Ayushi Sharma. We will be coming in the month of November for a regular interview. And once you clear that interview, you will be given an offer and you will join us in the month of June directly. And after 1 year completion in CSS Corp, you will be eligible to complete, and if you successfully complete all the relevant training and certifications in network security, you can move into that space. Is there any internship period for testing role? Yes, there is an internship period for testing role as well. Hamza Ali, yeah, there is an internship, but the numbers are very huge. It's not very high numbers. So, but yes, if you are really interested in testing, you should apply. But BCA, MCA, BSc, computer science, both those kind of people should specify in the track as testing. Do not say network security, cyber security, software development. If you select that, you will automatically be rejected by the team. You should only select software testing when you are registering. I'm not sure if there are any engineering students in this call. So I think UG and PG students, you should really look at the cyber security as an option, because that's where the maximum growth is, as I told you. And we are one of the leading companies in the enterprise tech support. We don't have any major competition in that space. So, and all the top companies are our partners. So that's the reason why there will be enormous learning and growth opportunity. So you should really look at your career in the enterprise tech support. So I want you to consider that, think through, and then take a call. Okay. Thank you very much, student. If there are no more questions, thank you very much for the opportunity. Thank you, Sangeeta, once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, students. Thank you. Then bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Good night.